TOEFL Random Vocabulary. Hello, here's today's vocabulary. Viable, surge, sprinkle, anchor, stroll, transitory, and solemn.
Viable. Viable. That is not a viable proposal.
それは実行可能な提案ではない。
That is not a viable proposal. That is not a viable proposal. Surge. Surge. The tsunami surged through all the beaches of the Indian coast.
津波がインドのすべての海岸に押し寄せた。
The tsunami surged through all the beaches of the Indian coast. The tsunami surged through all the beaches of the Indian coast. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. I like to sprinkle a little cheese over my pasta.
私はパスタの上に少しチーズを振りかけるのが好きです。
I like to sprinkle a little cheese over my pasta. I like to sprinkle a little cheese over my pasta. Anchor. Anchor. The captain anchored the ship.
船長は船のいかりを下ろした。
The captain anchored the ship. The captain anchored the ship. Stroll. Stroll. For a change, we strolled along the river.
気分転換に私たちは川辺をぶらついた。
For a change, we strolled along the river. For a change, we strolled along the river. Transitory. Transitory. The life of a cicada is transitory.
セミの一生は儚い。
The life of a cicada is transitory. The life of a cicada is transitory. Solemn. Solemn. The ceremony was solemn.
その儀式は荘厳であった。
The ceremony was solemn. The ceremony was solemn. Thanks for watching. Remember, listen, repeat, and listen again. See you next time.